Hey guys, my name is Akonke. I am a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today we're learning how to tie the bridal gele. Basically, if you want to see how I did this full look, click on the link in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. The length or the width size of the gele will be placed 70-30 apart. Now I am pleating using my index finger. I'm trying to roll over pleats. I think I pleated about 7 or 8 gele to start. You need your pleats like 7 or 8 pleats apart so that your crown can come out nicely. So I am running the base layer. You have to ensure that your gele is as firm as it can be. That's the secret of tying gele. Your gele has to be like very firm. And I must confess that you really need to be patient as well so that your pleats will come out nicely. Now I'm trying to knitting up the back and I want to cross the gele at this point. Now the shorter side goes above the longer side. So when I cross it, I'm going to tighten up my gele and I'm going to ensure that it is firm. Please note the shorter side goes above the longer part. I pulled the longer part, then I'm trying to create 4 extra pleats that will go round our head. The gele is actually short, it's not long, it cannot go round our head twice. So I just want to pleat those 4 geles round our head. I'm not going to lose the pleats. I'm going to ensure that the gele is starting from one side of the head and it ends well at the back on the other side of the head. I'm so sorry guys, my battery went flat along the line, but the only thing I did was I tied the gele. I pleated those lines to the back of our head, then I tied the gele at the back. Right now this is the easiest part of the gele. I'm just going to fold forward line by line. I'm going to fold my pleats forward line by line. The more lines you fold, the nicer the gele comes out. Learn to manage your space with your gele. So I just would keep folding and keep folding till I'm done.
Oh, my life is yours. Here is my sacrifice. Praise to you, oh God. Great are you, Lord, and all your wondrous works I live to sing.
Like I said before, gele requires your patience. Really, you need to be very patient. Basically, I'm ensuring that my pleat starts from one side and that same line ends on another side. Then you need to raise your gele. You need to learn how to use your index finger and your thumb to raise your gele so that it comes out nicer and fuller. That the high point of the gele is called the crown. Anyway, I'm going to continue my layers to the back and I'm going to extend my pleats to the back, then secure it with a pin. That's the final look guys. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.